Unit 6, Recording 2. Watch or listen and read. The flood.
Hey Lottie, come and help us with our social studies project. It's about our town 150 years ago.
I was at the bookshop yesterday. I've got these books and these old maps.
That's interesting. The train station and mosque were here 150 years ago, but the zoo and the shopping mall weren't. They're modern. There was a wadi in our town 150 years ago. Where is it now?
It's underground now, under the roads.
There's a deep flood in the town, next to the cafe. We don't know why.
Hey, look at this map. 150 years ago, there was a wadi next to the cafe.
Yes, that wadi is underground now. Maybe the wadi is the problem.
We must tell someone. Come on. Bo, go and look. Be very quiet.
I was very quiet.
And? What was down there?
The wall is broken. The wadi is coming out. It was very noisy.
Excuse me. There's an underground wadi next to the cafe. The flood is coming from there.
Okay, thank you.
We were right. Well done, Discovery Team.
Yay!